they made their mind. They made up their minds. Okay. 40 seconds, 40 seconds. Our plan is to take moon. Take moon. Everyone take moon. Okay, 6, 7, 8. 6, 7, 8. Ready lang.
Dito tayo pumasok po sa madaming tao dyan. Makakastan agad tayo.
Dito tayo.
Prioritize. Set your attack. Prioritize enemy players. 16 seconds, boys. I think they changed mechanics or they switched to star now. They will take star. Oh, 6, 7, 8. Move to moon. Move to moon now. Move to moon now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, let's go. Inside the pillar. Inside the pillar. We're orange. We're orange. We're orange. Okay, gets. Okay. Okay, good. That's fine. PvP. PvP. All teams. Move to south nga kayo. Move to south. South ng moon. Actually, 1 to 5. Teams 1 to 5, south ng moon. 6, 7, 8, PvP sa mid. 1 to 5, south ng moon. Slowly go to sun. Kaya ng 6 to 8 yung mid.
Gapang tayo.
1 to 5 take sun now. Anytime now. Come on. May pumunta ng start. Okay. Malalak nila yung moon. That's okay. Move to star. Lock sun and then move to star. Move to star. Okay lang. 30 seconds. Ready PvP star. All team star muna. Rotate. Hindi nila malalak yan. Hindi nag-change yung color. Tayo sa PvP. Oh, bakit may moon? They're gonna go to moon. Let's take star muna. Open na yung sun. Hindi natin makuha yung ano.
Focus kaya muna tayo sa dalawa.
Okay. Star. Change the color star. Lock this. And then we will push moon. Kaya. Push up. Lock it. Okay. Tulak to the moon. Sa gilid na daan. On the side. Don't be on the middle. The side. Either up or either north or south na daan. Move to moon now. PvP moon. Inside the circle. You guys are outside. I said inside the circle. They're gonna lock it again.
Pasok sa loob, puta. Ayaw niyo pumasok.
Okay, we're getting overwhelmed.
May mga nasa likod ah. Check niyo yung...
Rotate star muna. Sige, one more time. Rotate star. Let it change color. Okay, now. Inside star.
Pasok sa loob, huwag kayo matakot tumapak.
Inside star.
Enter the ring, please.
Enter the ring. Inside the circle, boys. Inside the circle.
Bakit meron sa saan? Focus lang tayo sa to pillar.
That's what I'm saying. Okay. That's fine.
Pareso Len.
If you're dead, resurrect at moon. Rally point moon. Moon. Go to moon. Rally point moon.
Nasa man kami, Joe.
Oo, nandito. Magkasama tayo.
40 seconds before mobs. 40 seconds before mobs.
Enter the ring, please.
Inside the ring, inside the circle. 30 seconds before mobs, yung teams assigned, you may now start moving. They have the same strategy. We have to control it first. We have to control it first. The thing is, one team, there's a rogue team. There's a team that is not with us. 1 to 5, 1 to 5. Meet me at Sun, 1 to 5. Meet me at Sun, 1 to 5, 1 to 5. Ready for PvP.
Get the monster.
Mobs now, mobs. Are we getting it? Are we getting it?
There, upper right.
Change of pace, boys. Change of pace. Because they took the mobs. Pero I expect that they will go back to the pillars now. 1 to 5, 1 to 5, where are you? On me, on me. Let's take mid now. Let's take mid. Now is the time. Now is the time. 1 to 5 mid, 6, 7, 8 star.
7, 8 star.
Okay. Go to moon. Go to moon now. No. Okay, moon lock. Moon is lock. Moon is lock. Resurrect moon. Resurrect moon. Rally point between sun and 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 moon. Move to moon in 3, 2, 1. Moon now. Moon now. Inside the circle. Inside the circle. Take this. Take this. 6, 7, 8. 6, 7, 8. 6, 7, 8. Go to sun. 6, 7, 8. Go to sun. 6, 7, 8. Go to sun. Let it change color. Let it change color. Inside the circle now. 6, 7, 8. 6, 7, 8 sun. 6, 7, 8 sun. Come on.
Magpo-full force sila.
Nice.
Hindi pwedeng maghiwalay ng party.
That's Nalak na yung moon? Hindi naman nag-change ng color. Nag-change ng color ng moon.
Nag-change ng color,
Yeah,
Commander skill,
yeah,
Commander
yeah.
na maghiwalay.
Okay, I think we need to break the parties.
Commander skills up.
Okay, 6, 7, 8. 6, 7, 8. Let's rotate to star. 6, 7, 8. Let's rotate to star. 6, 7, 8. Let's rotate to star. Huwag kayo dadaan sa mid. They're also here. Teams 1 to 5, you should be in between sun and moon. Teams 1 to 5, ready to take sun again? Okay, change color, take moon again. Teams 1 to 5. Sun. Sun. Lock.
Boss Orlando, hindi pwede maghiwalay ng party. Kailangan talaga full force. Pagka
Oo,
kasi
solidin
change
natin,
color,
tara,
full
hindi
force sila
kaya.
sa ban talaga.
Okay.
Ganun
Everyone
lang.
start. Everyone start. We'll do just one wave. Ignore PvP. Go to star now. Go to star. Don't go in the middle. Find your way south or north. Okay. Lock star. Okay. Ready to PvP. We move slowly but surely to mid. Okay. Someone is in sun. 1 minute 30 seconds before the Baron. Okay. We still have a fighting chance. Move to moon now. Move to moon now.
Push.
Move to moon now. I'm casting commander skill at moon.
Oh.
Casted.
Focus another one.
They locked it. 1 minute before Baron. 1 minute before Baron. All teams at moon? No. Oh, I'm gonna get away from the fight. I'll precast Eagle. All teams moon. 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 And then hold it. Hold it right there.
Nice one, Pluto.
Oh! Oi. Out. Move to Baron side. Casting Eagle. Casting Eagle. Eagle casted. Take it now. Take it now. Take Eagle. Take Eagle. Nah, they got it. They got the monster.
Oh shit.
Resurrect Moon. Resurrect Moon. Resurrect Moon. Let's take Moon. Let's take Moon. Hindi nag-change ng color. Hindi nag-change ng color. Go Sun. Go Sun. Go Sun. Go Sun. Alright, lock. PvP towards Moon. PvP towards Moon. Slow push. Slow push. Get your kills. Get your kills towards Moon. Do not go south. We go straight to the Moon.
Wala mo nang
Eh.
aapak. Antayin nyo muna mag-ano. Wala mo nang aapak. Out muna kayo. Out muna kayo. Out. Antayin nyo mag-change
That's okay.
color bago pumasok.
Going to star. Going to star. There's I think they're avoiding us now. They're avoiding us now. Yeah.
Playing it safe. Right move.
Yeah, with that kind of lead, impossible without. Oh, they're back at Moon. They're back at Moon.
I'm
Just
inside.
get your kill. Get your kills. Thirty-six points remaining. Get your kills. GG's
Nice
boys.
try. Nice try. Nice try. GG's.
GG guys.